Hello, this is Naz from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone is doing okay. My today's topic is Calculus Lesson 17 and we're going to discuss implicit differentiation. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me just ask you a question. What if you have, function of x is equal to x squared, right? Clearly, if you draw a graph for this, you will get something like this, okay? You have x here, and then you have function of x here. So clearly, we know in this case how your function of x is changing with respect to x, correct? Let's say if I have something like this, I say we have y is equal to x squared. Okay, how would you know that how y is changing with respect to x? We know there is a relationship, but we don't know how y changes as x changes. Okay, so that is where, my friends, implicit differentiation kicks in. So let's look at an example and see if we can solve something. So I'm going to go ahead and solve a problem. Let's say we have something like this. 3y squared is equal to minus 2x raised to the power 4. All right. Now, so far what you solved in differentiation problems is in which you had just one variable, x. But now we have y and x, and we need to find how y changes with respect to x, dy over dx. So let's go ahead and take derivative of both sides. So bring this 2 over here, all right? So 2 times 3, 2, bring it over here, 2 times 3 is going to be 6, y, 2 minus 1 is 1, times dy over dx. That is what we are trying to find. That is what we are trying to solve for, is dy over dx, because we want to find out how y changes with respect to x. Now let's take the derivative of the right hand side. So what's the derivative of minus 2x4? Bring 4 over here, so minus 8x raised to the power 3. All right. Now our job is to isolate dy over dx, because that is exactly what we're looking for. So that's what we do. We say dy over dx. Bring the 6 on this side right here. 6y. Sorry. So once we do that, we say we have minus 8x cubed over, I'm bringing this 6y over here, okay? So then I know how my y changes with respect to x. I can simplify this further by dividing numerator and denominator by 2. So I get minus 4x cubed over 3y. So this is going to be my function in which I can see how my y changes with respect to x, okay? So let me stop right here. I'm going to come back and we're going to do some more practice problems. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like the contents, go ahead and give me a like. Have a nice day.